As a partner to the wholesaler and the workshop's friend, we speed up everyday business processes and make them more profitable. Our spare parts and maintenance parts, as well as workshop equipment and diagnostic devices, form the foundation for this. But it goes far beyond that. Our service and know-how meet today's requirements and the challenges of tomorrow. In addition to our technical support hotline, we offer extensive training on-site or online through Hella Tech World, our digital technical portal. Our goal is to optimize the entire repair process and minimize customer downtime. On top of that, we support our business partners with first-class data management and state-of-the-art logistics. This is how we ensure that our products will reach you quickly, no matter when or where you need them. Our products and services for the independent aftermarket are based on our diagnostics competence and more than 120 years of tradition and innovation in the fields of lighting and electronics. In close cooperation with renowned vehicle manufacturers, Hella shapes the megatrends of the automotive industry. As enthusiastic visionaries for future technologies such as autonomous driving, digitalization, connectivity, and electrification, all of us at Hella look ahead with curiosity and confidence. With us at your side, you can do the same. Are you ready? Hella, partner to the wholesaler and the workshop's friend.